Welcome back everybody. In today's video we are going to go over the 7 tools that you get free from Hercules when you get a starter kit during the June parking lot sale. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, to even get this deal you got to buy the starter kit, and what that is the 5 amp hour lithium ion battery with a 4 amp charger starting kit, and of course that is the $119.99. Now this has a 3-year warranty on it, not a 5-year like the tool, so keep that in mind. Now we'll check the specifications out here and see what all the numbers are on this. SKU number is 71262. Model number is HC014K. And of course the application for the charger is going to be 20 volt and 12 volt batteries, lithium ion, and the battery is included. Charge time is going to be 60 to 90 minutes on that. Now the temperature range we're going to go over in Fahrenheit because I live in America. The battery is negative 68 degrees Fahrenheit to 167 degrees Fahrenheit. Charger is 40 degrees Fahrenheit and to 105 degrees Fahrenheit. AC volts is 120 on this. And of course the contents is the 5 amp hour lithium ion battery and the 4 amp charger. And of course you got the amperage, which is 4. Capacity, which is 5 amp hour, 20 volt. Certification is UL. And the power cord is 6 foot. Now let's go over the tools that you get free with this. The first one we're going to look at is going to be the brushless cordless 4.5 inch, 5 inch paddle switch angle grinder tool only at $79.99. And of course this is up to $79.99 for this sale. This is the big kicker here with the Hercules. You get a 5-year warranty on them. That's what I really like about these. And then we're going to scroll down to specifications here real quick, just so we can see what they have in there. Now the SKU number is going to be 58260 on this, of course Hercules. Model number is going to be HCB61P. Battery voltage is 20. Max speed is 8,500 RPM. Product length is 13.5 inches. Width is going to be 5.7 inches on that. Of course it's got the paddle switch on it. And then the accessories include, you get the 4.5 5-inch type 27 guard grinding disc. You get the side handle, arbor wrench, and the flare nut with this. The arbor size is a 5 1/8 inch, 11 UNC spindle, and a 7/8 inch adapter. The batteries, of course, are lithium ion on it, and it's a tool only, so no batteries included on it. The height of it is 5 3/4 inches, and then the weight of it is 4.9 pounds. Next up here, we've got the 6.5 inch circular saw tool only. Once again, at $79.99, you'll be getting it for free. Of course, we got the 5-year warranty on it. We'll go down to specifications here real quick and check these out. And on the specifications, your SKU number is 64984. Model number is HC72B, of course 20 volts. Blade size is 6.5 inch. Depth of cut at 90 degrees is going to be 2 3/16 of an inch. Max speed is going to be 5,000 RPM. The product length is going to be 12 7/8 inch. The product width is going to be 8 3/8 inch. Bevel angle is going to be 0 to 50 degrees on that. Accessories included is going to be the 6.5 inch 24T blade, dust chute, hex key. Arbor size is going to be 5/8 of an inch on that. Lithium ion battery, no battery included of course. And then you got the max cutting depth at 45 degrees is going to be 1 5/8 inch. Product height is going to be 10 1/8 inch. Product weight is going to be 6.3 pounds. Now we got the brushless cordless reciprocating saw tool only, and once again this is $79.99. 5-year warranty of course on that. Check the specifications out on this one. Then on this one, the SKU number is 57549. The model number is HCB751B. No battery included of course. Product length is 17.5 inches. Accessories included, 6 inch 14 TPI metal cutting blade, of course lithium ion and 20 volt on the battery. Max speed on this one is 3000 SPM, and the product weight on this one is going to be 6.3 pounds. Next up here we have the 200 miles per hour compact job site blower tool only for $44.99, and of course with a 5-year warranty on that. So now we are going to go down here. Sorry, my fingers are getting a little bit crazy on the scrolling here. So specifications, we actually got 2 SKUs here. We got the 56417 and then the 57249. Model number on that is going to be the HC102B. Then the voltage, of course, is 20, certification UL. Product height is going to be 11.75 inches. The weight is going to be 3 pounds. Flow rate is going to be 120 CFM. Contains the compact blower sweeper extension nozzle and adapter tips. And of course, it's a lithium ion battery that's not included. Max speed at 200 miles per hour. Product length is going to be 12.5 inches. And the width is going to be 19.75 inches. Next up here, we have the 20/120 volt cordless dual power job site fan tool only. This is $24.99, of course, with a 5-year warranty on that one. And let's check the specs out on this. On this one, the SKU number is 57275. Model number is HH107B. 20 volts on the battery. Once again, this has a certification of ETL. The housing material is impact resistant housing. Product height is going to be 14.37 inches. The weight is going to be 5.1 pounds on that. Flow rate is 300 CFM. Then the AC volts is 120. The battery type is lithium ion, not included, of course. Diameter is going to be 7.25 inches. Max speed is 11 miles per hour. The length is going to be 10.5, and the width on it is going to be 10.12 inches. And the runtime is going to be 4 hours and 52 minutes with a 2.5 amp hour battery, or 10 hours on a 5 amp hour battery. Now we're taking a look at the 5-inch random orbital sander. Of course, this is $54.99. And of course, once again, we got the 5-year warranty on this. Let's check the specifications out on this one. And the SKU is going to be 58700 on that. Model number is going to be HCB013B. Battery voltage, of course, is 20. Certification is ETL. Product weight is going to be 2.5 pounds. This size is 5-inch. It's going to contain the dust collection bag and 80 grit sanding disc. Of course, lithium ion on the battery, not included. Max speed is going to be 12,000 OPM. And the shipping weight, which we don't care about, but there it is 3.14 pounds. All right, the last thing we're going to look at here, because I think this is the one everybody's going to go for, is going to be the 1/2-inch compact 4-mode impact wrench with a friction ring tool only for $69.99. 5-year warranty on that, of course, as always on the Hercules. Go to specifications here and check these out. So the first thing we've got here is a SKU number of 59427. The model number is going to be a HCB84B2. Certification is going to be ETL. 1/2-inch drive size. Max torque is going to be 250 foot-pounds at 10 seconds and 325 foot-pounds at 30 seconds. It's got 3 speeds. Product weight is going to be 2.8 pounds. Anvil, of course, is going to be a 1/2-inch. And it's going to take the 20-volt lithium-ion battery that, of course, is not included. Color is blue. Now you got the 3 speeds on here. You got 0 to 1,000, 0 to 1,600, and 0 to 2,000 RPM. The motor is brushless. That's a big thing. Make sure all the new tools are brushless. You don't want the old stuff. And then the product length on this is going to be 6 inches. And the shipping weight is going to be 3.31 pounds. And the bolt breakaway torque is going to be 500 foot-pounds. And there you have it. There's the 7 free tools and the starter kit from Hercules that's going to be on sale during the June parking lot sale at Harbor Freight. If you guys are getting this deal, leave a comment down below. I want to know which tool you're picking out of this. If I was picking, I would go more than likely with the impact, the grinder, or the reciprocating saw. I want to know what you guys would pick. Leave that comment down below. So as always, don't forget to check my link tree out down below. Down there, I got affiliate accounts that do help out the channel. Some got discount codes to save you guys money. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are one nation under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.